Today I am replacing the battery of my 2013 Honda Accord LX 4-cylinder. This is the old battery that I'm replacing. If you want to know why I'm replacing it and the issues, check out the video I have on the challenges I'm having with this battery. I will link that in the description of this video. But essentially I have determined that this battery is no longer holding power, and so I got to replace it. So I'm replacing this battery with the new one that I got, which is this Honda battery. Now, you can get any battery you want. I just like Honda batteries because I think they just are made better, last a long time, and come with a better warranty than anybody else, than any other battery. It's a 100-month battery, which is a little over 8 years. And Honda has a warranty for 3 years. Anything goes wrong, they replace it for free. After that is a prorated. To replace the battery, I need to remove the 2 terminals. So I need to open these 2 bolts, and also this plate that holds down the battery in place. I will loosen this, remove it, and then reverse the process, install the battery, and connect the terminals. The tools I need to replace the battery are 10mm to remove the battery terminals, to loosen and remove the battery terminals, and then this adjustable wrench to remove the top plate that holds down the battery. I'm just going to loosen that. I'm going to remove that altogether. Same thing with this guy. It's already loose. Good stuff. This is loose. Oh. And this top plate that keeps the battery firmly in place, remove this. You can use a wrench for that as well. I just couldn't find it in a hurry, so I'm just going to remove an adjustable wrench. This is just a metal rod that goes down low and connects to the base of the battery. So it comes up like this, so it kind of connects at the bottom. So it comes up, and then on the other side, it becomes loose. So once you loosen the terminals, we're going to remove them from the battery. Hopefully they're removed. Easy stuff, good stuff. And this one here. Okay. And then carefully remove this plate that holds down the battery. Now it has metal points or metal rods. Just be careful removing it. It doesn't touch the 2 terminals. You don't want to create a short. All right, with this out of the way, okay. Remove the cover around the battery. Now the battery is free, and I can just lift it up. And I'm just gonna remove the battery. All right, kind of, if you move it a little bit, it should seat. So see, now it's no longer moving. So it kind of has a seat on here on the tray, on the metal tray. So now it's good. I'll just place a new battery here. Key thing to remember, the Honda sign is only on one side of the battery, and the sign was facing towards me. So that's how I'm going to place the battery, with the positive on the left hand side. Positive on the left hand side, with the red says positive on top, positive, just double checking, and the negative on the right hand side. The 1025, this is says the battery was probably manufactured in October 2025. It's kind of a reminder. All the plastic goes around it. Okay. stuff. Fits nicely. And the clamp here will also go and fit on the battery. So see, what I have done now is put this J rod inside this metal area, which is its support, right? It's firmly in place. Kind of same thing on the other side. I have this going, show there. So this metal rod, it goes in and connects here. Make sure that clamp stays in place as I'm tightening the nuts here. Okay, good stuff. And here is my wrench. I don't want to tighten too much, just enough so it stays in place. With the clamp now ready, we're gonna put the negative terminal in. Now this one has a plastic on top, so we're gonna remove that, lift it, remove it. And this one goes on top, easy. And same thing for the positive terminal. So what I did was I bought these shims, the battery post shims, that make this top wider. So I had this on my old battery, so I'm going to reuse it. It's pretty good shape. So removed it from the old battery, put it here. It goes over easy, and now the terminal fits nicely, or better, snug than it was in the past. Maybe I can move that a little bit. Okay. I'm going to turn on the headlights and start the car with the new battery in place. See the difference. See, there was no hesitation in starting the car. The other test we're going to do is the voltmeter test. If the old battery would not hold the charge, like as soon as I turn off the car, the charge inside, or the power inside the battery, will start going down. So we're going to check it again now. I'm going to attach this to the car and turn off the car. So it's 12 volts, stable, and I got the headlights on. And it's 12 volts, it's not dropping below that. So that's the difference between a new battery and the old one. The old one had, within I think a minute or two, it had dropped down to less than 10 volts because it was no longer holding the charge. So with the battery test done, I'm not tightening terminals now. I don't want to tighten too much, just enough for a snug fit. That's good. The other one is a little bit loose for me, so, but it's with that shim, it is now snug. The both terminals tight, battery firmly in place. We're good to go. So install is done. And one remaining item is the old battery, which is here. And I'll take that to the Honda dealer, and to get the core charge, basically you get the battery, you give them an old battery, you get about $16 refund, at least from my case. So we'll get that done. That will lower the cost of the new battery. Thanks for watching.